Hi everyone, you with Crochet with Greta. If you're new here, I'm Crochet with Greta and I like to create crochet tutorials. If you're returning subscribers, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to make this mini witch hat. I'm going to use this witch hat for my marshmallow because Halloween's coming and I want to have witch marshmallow. If you like to do marshmallow, I have tutorial on my channel and I'm going to leave the link in my description below. You can check it out, or end of the video you can find it as well. But now I'm going to focus on the mini witch hat and it's very cute. This is everything that I need for my mini witch hat. White, I'm going to use purple, you can use any color, scissors, 2.5mm hook, yarn needle and charm if you have one. If you don't need to use one. I'm going to start with black for my round 1 and I'm going to do magic ring. This is my magic ring and I'm going to do 4 single crochet into my magic ring. One, 2, 3 and 4. This is my round 1. With the round 2 I have single crochet, increase, I'm going to repeat 2 times and end of this round I'm going to have 6 stitches in total. And for stitch mark I'm going to use different color of yarn. And I have single crochet in my first stitch and increase in my second stitch, increases 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and for my third stitch I'm going to do single crochet and I'm going to finish this round with increase in my last 4th stitch. This is my round 2. I'm ready to move on round 3. For the round 3 I have single crochet around, I'm going to have 6 stitches at end of this round. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm ready to move on my round 4. The round 4 I have single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat for 3 times in total. End of this round I'm going to have 9 stitches. I'm starting with single crochet. In my second stitch I have increase, and again I have single crochet in my third stitch, increase in my 4th stitch, and I'm going to do this one more time, single crochet and increase. This is my round 4. I'm ready to move on round 5. Round 5 I have single crochet around. End of this round I'm going to have 9 stitches in total. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last single crochet for the round. I'm ready to move on round 6. the round 6 I have 2 single crochet, increase. I'm going to repeat for 3 times in total, and end of this round I'm going to have 12 stitches. This is starting with a single crochet in the first and single crochet in my second stitch, and a third stitch I'm going to do my increase. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. Single crochet, single crochet, and increase. Single crochet, single crochet, and increase in my last stitch of the round 6. Now I'm moving on round 7. For the round 7 I have single crochet around, and end of this round I'm going to have 12 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we're ready to move on round 8, and for my round 8 I'm going to change. I'm going to change the color to purple. You can change it to any color that you like to use. And now I'm going to do 3 single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat this 3 times in total. End of this round 8 I'm going to have 15 stitches, starting with 1, 2, 3. In the 4th stitch I'm going to do increase. I'm going to do this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, increase, and 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, increase in my last stitch. Now I'm ready to move on round 9, and I'm going to change the color back to black. I'm going to continue my work in the round 9. The round 9 I'm going to work on the front loop only. You can see this is front loop and back loop. I'm going to work on front loop. This is my front loop, and I'm going to do 4 single crochet, increase. I'm going to repeat 3 times in total, and end of this round I'm going to have 18 stitches. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, I'm working on a front loop only for this round. Now I'm going to do increase in my next stitch, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. You can see, we can see our back loop, left and right. And 1 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase in my last stitch. Now I can cut the purple. Now I'm ready to move on round 10. I'm going to use my stitch marker again, and for the round 10 I have 2 single crochet, increase. I'm going to repeat this 6 times in total, and end of this round I'm going to have 24 stitches. 1, 2 single crochet and increase in my third stitch. I'm going to repeat this 5 more times and increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. 1, 2, increase. And I'm going to do this one more time. 2 and increase. Now to finish off, I'm going to do a slip stitch to my next stitch, and I'm going to fasten off. Now I'm just going to tie this in, cut off. And this is our witch hat. If you're going to use the witch hat on Marshmallow, which I recommend because it's super cute, and you're going to find the link in the descriptions below, you can leave the long tail so to stitch to the head, or you can use glue and just glue it to the head. And I need to put my charm. If you don't have one, you don't need to use any, just find too cute. That's why I wanna just put on mine. Now I'm just going to turn over, and I can just tie and make sure it's going to stay. And because I'm going to use glue for my hats, I'm just going to hide this yarn. But if you don't have glue, so just can put the yarn here, just to start from where the purple is, and start stitching it around. Not going to do that because I'm going to use glue. My glue is ready, and I'm going to put where my back loop is. Now when I'm ready, I'm just going to stitch. I'm going to glue it, not stitch it, just glue it on Marshmallow. I'm going to make sure I'm holding for a couple of seconds. And we have a very cute marshmallow with witch hats. Remember, you're going to find the marshmallow tutorial in the description or on my channel, or end of the video you're going to see the marshmallow tutorial, and I recommend you to do it because it's super cute, and this witch hat is just so easy and quick to make. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe for more cute tutorials, and see you soon. Bye.